Hi and welcome back to another watercolor tutorial. Today I'm making, as always, a loose floral painting, and I'm working in my handmade traveler's notebook, art journal or watercolor journal. The paper that is inside this journal is 100% cotton paper, and I'm starting by sketching out my flower very loosely with a water-soluble graphite. It's a colored graphite. As always, I'm making this video in real time, so you have the possibility to join me and to paint along with me and create your own loose watercolor flower. If it's too slow for you, you always have the option in the video settings to speed up the whole video. While sketching my flower, I'm holding the pencil very loosely at the end, so that my lines don't get too stiff. I now go in with a little bit of the Neocolor I crayons. These are waxy crayons that are not water soluble, and I really love to use those as a resist against the watercolors I want to add later. Of course, you can use any kind of wax crayon that is not water soluble for this technique. Now I'm using the white crayon and I redraw all my sketchy outlines. I decided to add a little bit of shimmer with one of the metallic crayons. Now I'm going in with my watercolors and I'm starting today by painting the background. The paint that I'm using here is one of the St. Petersburg White Knights pastel colors. Before I add color to my flower, I'm wetting the petals of it, and then I go in with a mixture of, I believe it was a familiar red and a carmine. When I painted this flower, I didn't have much time, and I wanted to make something that takes me less than 15 minutes. And that's always a good idea to paint some loose watercolor, because that is possible in this short time. Because of the resist effect and the white crayon I've added, I have automatically some white spots on my painting, and that means that I have some highlights, and this is what I think every loose watercolor flower needs, is some white. Now I'm going in with the Derwent Inktense pencils, and I just scribble into the wet paint. And that's today's flower. When it's dry, I will add some splatters to the painting so it looks even more vibrant and lively. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I wish you a wonderful rest of the week. Bye.